If your device is overheating and the CPU has a high usage, there are two really simple options you should try. First, let's right-click on the Windows button and open the Task Manager. Now, on your left, navigate to Startup Apps. Keep in mind that your list here may be way longer than mine. Ask yourself a question: what applications here I am using on a daily basis? If you see any applications that you don't want to see to have open on a system startup, simply right-click on it and click on Disable. Now repeat the same process for all other applications. Try to disable as many as you can. After it's done, restart your PC. This will make a huge impact on your system performance. Now to the second option. Click on the Windows search and look for Edit Power Plan. On a new window, click on the Change Advanced Power Settings option. Usually, your default option here is set to Balance. You may want to change that to High Performance. I do have the option for Ultimate Performance. If you want to know how to enable it, I made a short video about this topic. Now, once the new power option is selected, click on OK to apply it. You should see a nice performance boost on your CPU. Hope that helps.